this is a brace of 70s classics. They belong to a friend of mine and he's asked me to sell them. So this first one is a Honda 404. As you can see, it's all been done. New paint, new wheels. It runs like a little champ. It's done 29,000 miles, which ain't bad considering it is 1979. And if you know about these bikes, these were like a bit of a groundbreaker at the time because they were obviously full cylinder, but also a 4-stroke. At the time they were competing with this was an RD250 or the RD350s. But this one is absolutely out of the box, brand new wheels, they're $1,000, all the chrome's good, it runs beautifully, and it's priced at 5,995 and it's ready to rock and roll. It doesn't need an MOT or anything. And this one is the RD250, and I personally prefer the 2-strokes, although that's a better bike. As you can see, it is like brand new. New rims, re-chromed, repainted, rebuilt engine. It's done 42 miles since its last, since it's been rebuilt. So basically you're gonna have to run it in. It's got 2 keys, it's got the V5, it's historic tax. And if you look over it, I mean, all the rims have been polished. It's just an absolute cracker, and it runs really, really well. So this one is going to be, it's not cheap, but they're saying that it would cost you $4,000 to do it. It's up for 7,295, and the Honda, as I said. So there's a brace there. You can have the pair of them. I'll do you a deal on them. But anyway, get them bought. They're here on site. We do part exchange. We do delivery, and sometimes we maybe sort some finance in. So thanks for looking.